Today we're gonna make a soup that's really good for your eyes. Carrot soup with chorizo. Carrot soup. They say carrots is good for your eyes. I don't know if it's a myth or if it's true, but my kids love the carrots. In the oven, baked, and also the soup. So what do we need for this soup? Carrots, a big yellow onion, vegetable stock, creme fraiche, chorizo, and oregano. It's gonna take a little bit of preparation, so let's start with the mise en place. Mise en place is preparing your fruit, vegetables, whatever you need to cook for your dinner, so you can just keep on baking, keep on doing your thing. First we're gonna start off with cutting the onion, big blocks, doesn't really matter. Why doesn't it really matter? Because we're gonna take the blender and we're gonna make everything small later. But first we wanna give the baking fat a little bit of flavor. Then we're gonna cut and scrape the carrots. Get the sausage in nice blocks. Ouch, God, bloody damn it. Be careful for your knife. And your mise en place is done. Now grab yourself a pan, full whack, a little bit of oil, a neutral oil, grab your chorizo, and let's get it crispy. And after a while, it's getting nice and crispy, so I'm gonna grab myself a spatula, some paper towels into a bowl, and let it drain there. Let me turn on the fire a little bit. Try to get the grease in there, in the pan, because you're gonna need it for the onions. And of course for the carrots. That's the chorizo. Let me taste. Ah! Damn, it's hot. Now let's go in with the onions. Get it sizzling. The grease from the chorizo will give some flavor. So don't remove that. Then we go in with the carrots. And then we're going to use like 2 tablespoons of oregano. For the Italian flavor. or Spanish flavor, whatever you want. Got myself my vegetable stock. Pour it in. Number one. And of course going to open. And number two. We're going to add 1 liter of water. And we're going to give it a stir. And right now we're going to put the lid on it and let it go for 15 to 20 minutes until the carrots are soft. And we can put it into the blender or use anything else.
A few inches later.
And after 50 to 20 minutes, everything nicely soft. If I'm right. Yes. All the carrots nice and soft. Turn down the heat. And I'm gonna grab myself the mixer and let's puree everything. But be careful, the pan will be so hot. So, nicely pureed. I'm gonna grab myself a spoon and I've got the creme fraiche. And we're gonna get the whole creme fraiche in there. Take yourself a whisk and make it nice and creamy. Get the pan back on the fire and let it heat up for a little while.
A few moments later.
Time to plate up. Get myself a bowl. Take the hot pan off the fire. Grab my spoon. A nice bowl of soup. Grab yourself some chorizo. Get the chorizo into the soup as a little extra. A little bit of pepper. And I baked myself some garlic bread. Got it into the oven. So, soup with garlic bread on Dinner with Dave.